now. The winds stop, they're holding back the storm. Step into the silence, feel the earth stand still. For shadows on the skyline waiting for the kill. Corners of creation, guardians in chains, holding back the judgment running through their veins. But the seals break and the skies shake. You hear the rumble as the darkness wakes. Therefore angels rise, thunder in their eyes, winds go wild as the whole world cries out. For angels rise, ready for the sign when the trumpets roar. It's the end time line, yeah. They rise, they rise. Bound beside the river where the old wars bled, waiting for the moment every prophet said. Chains crack open, the riders hit the ground. Hear the army marching with the death drum sound. Now the seals tear, feel the cold air. A billion voices drowning their own fear. By four angels rise, thunder in their eyes, winds go wild as the whole world cries out. For angels rise, ready for the sign when the trumpets roar. It's the end time line, yeah. They rise, they rise, they rise. Hold the wind, stop the sea. Not a leaf moves till the chosen are free. Then break the chains, let the fire fall. 1/3 down as the war horns call. Tick, tick, tock, end of the clock. Four angels stand and the heavens unlock. Boom, crash, judgment lash. World goes dark in a blinding flash. Ruh. The four angels rise, thunder in their eyes, storms unleashed from the blood-red skies. The four angels rise, night of the divide when the final